Part 2, Video 2, Police Reform Playlist. Let's start with recruitment and hiring. The majority of police officers in this nation do not have a college degree. Okay, that's step one. It costs more than $100,000 to employ a rookie police officer his first year on the job. That includes training, uniforms, weapons, and pay. Instead of reforming bad police officers and racist police officers, the key is to not hire them in the first place and to hire anti-racist officers. So you need to ask yourself some questions. Who is recruiting these police officers? What is their race? Are the majority of police recruiters white? Correct. Are the majority of police recruiters police officers? Correct. So you have a case where racist police officers are hiring other racist police officers. The Washtenaw Police Department has a test for implicit biases before the police officers are hired to see if they're racist before they hire them. Also, we have to keep in mind, why are police officers going to one department over another? And the answer is tenure and pay. If you worked 30 years on the force and someone in another city tries to recruit you, you will lose all of your tenure by going to that other city, and you will also be put on graveyards. You lose your tenure, and you might get better pay, but you lose your tenure. Police officers want a pension when they're going. They want the best pay, and they want the best hours. And so that is why it's so hard to recruit police officers away from one agency to another agency. When talking to police recruiters, because I suggest that you meet with the police recruiters in your city, ask them if they are setting up booths at African American heritage festivals, Latinx heritage festivals, Pacific Islander heritage festivals, Juneteenth, what they are actually doing to try to recruit Black and brown recruits, and have them go to the Black and brown churches and give them recruiting material. Why do we want more Black and brown police officers? We want more Black and brown police officers because the majority of officer-involved shooting deaths in this country happen at the hands of white police officers, which means if you hire more Black and brown police officers, you will have less deaths at the hands of police. And the goal here is to lower and end police brutality deaths.